Hi guys, welcome to Flying Grape Academy.
The three types of GUI classes: containers, JFrame, JPanel, JApplet. These are the container class. Container class is having a topmost hierarchy. So you can able to place a several kind of buttons on these things: JFrame, JPanel, JApplet. So what is frame? So for example, frame is something like a particular window so that you can able to organize specific buttons. For example, here I am going to make a label. Here I am going to write a name in. So what is name? Name is a label. So next I am going to ask the user to type the name, and similarly and again what I am going to do, I am going to ask the course, COURSE. So whether and again I am going to ask the what is the course. For example, if I have predefined the course, so then what I will do, I will create a drop down menu. I will create a drop down menu so that user can able to select the course. So among the course, like it will be showing MCA. If you are going to press the this particular button, it will be showing BTech. And so on. So like that, drop down menu. So next, for example, if you want to submit after clicking, so here you will be writing the submit button. So submit button. So after filling this particular form, you will be clicking the submit button. So you will be creating, you need to create a JFrame, or you can able to use either these things: frame, panel, or JApplet, whatever the things. So container is the topmost class. So in components, you can able to organize all the things. So file upload, J button, J text field, J combo box, J list, drop down menu, file upload. So all the things are components you can able to organize on the either frame, panel, or JApplet. So you can able to use. So there are certain kind of helpers like graphics, color, font, and dimension, etc. For example, graphics means you can able to draw. So in applet we have seen what we have drawn. So draw rectangle, fill rectangle, draw circle, fill circle, draw arc, fill arc. So we have seen a different kind of things. So that kind of font. So color. So you can able to use a object color dot red, color dot yellow, color dot blue font. So different fonts we have seen like a Times New Roman, Calibri, and Arial. So different kind of things also we have seen. So now we are going to discuss about JFrame. So we can able to create a frame specific frame. JFrame. So here win is a object. So JFrame object equal to new JFrame. So basically for class what we are going to derive, class object name equal to new class. So whereas WIN is a object, so new JFrame. What we have declared? Here we have given a JFrame. Here we have given a JFrame. So next here also we have new JFrame. So here if you want to give any title for the JFrame, here we are going to give the title. So JFrame inherits from the frame window, container, component, and object. So this is the specific syntax for JFrame. So how a JFrame will appear on your window? So here we are going to see. First step is we are going to import the Java h.swing. So which is a package. Swing dot start defines the it imports all the packages from the swing. For example, events, swing events, or swing file chooser. So all the kind of objects are imported from the swing. So the next we have given the class name. Class name is given as a swing frame. Swing frame is a name of the class. So next we are going to define a public static void main. Every program starts with the public static void main. You all know public means everywhere you can access. Static, it links the non-static data members and methods. Next, void means it doesn't have any return type, and main. So every program starts from the main. Next, string array arguments. So every Java is compatible with the string array arguments. It can able to accept the command line arguments, so that we can able to use a string array arguments or arguments array. So you can able to declare this particular array, so either this side or after the string also. So now we have declared the JFrame. We have created an object for the JFrame. So equal, and we have created the instance by defining the new JFrame. So here the name of the JFrame we have written is my first GIA program. This is the name of the JFrame. So which is enclosed within the double quotes. So now here we have displayed the window.setVisible equal to true. So it defines that, so that text will be shown on the top of the window. So window.setVisible equal to new. So here you are having a Java applet form, Java class, JSF page, Java package, Java interface, Java panel form. So you can able to create either panel or JFrame. So here I am going to click a JFrame form. New JFrame, finish. So now you have created a JFrame. So here the right side, if you are going to consider this one, here we are having a number of drop and down options. So among this, so let us see one by one. So here, if you want to add the panel to the JFrame, so one second. If you want to add one more panel to the JFrame, you can able to add a panel. On JFrame, you have created a panel with the specific dimensions. On the top of the panel, you can able to click a number of things. For example, here we have a swing controls label. So here I am going to create a label and I am going to name the label. Label means a specific name. So enter the name. So like that, specific things we are going to enter the name. That is a label. So next, what we need, so user has to enter some kind of text. So in order to enter some text, he need to create a text. So area or text field. So you are going to add the text field. So text field. So if you double click that one, it goes to the text field. So otherwise you can go for a design. There are two particular menus. You are having design and source. If you double click that particular text field, so you can able to add something to the screen. So here you can able to edit text. So you can make a value as null. So what we have done, enter the name. So you can able to copy the same thing, copy and paste. So before you have asked the user enter the name. So next select the course. So now we have asked the user to select the course. So now we need a combo bar so that we can able to add n number of items. So there is a syntax for that one. Able to before that design. So okay, just I am going to list out what are the things we can able to add. So next we can able to create a button or checkbox. So we can able to make a two buttons. So by asking the gender, so whether your gender is male or female. So now what we are doing is, so we are going to edit the text, so male, female. So basically we can able to add all the items in the arranged format. So enter the name, so select the course. So by using the radio button we have asked to tick whether it is a male or female. So but the thing is we have created a static field but it is not dynamic because we have not mentioned the code inside. So we have created the event. So by clicking that one, so the code will be displayed as shown in this diagram. So the thing is how we need to save the project. We need to save each and every time. So first thing is we will learn how to write the code. So we can able to create all the things. So finally we need to write the submit button. So you can able to edit the text. Basically the user is going to fill the form. He can enter the name, he can select the course, then he can able to select the gender and finally submit. So or he can able to enter the role name, all the things he can able to enter. So but the thing is the validation should be performed by the user. So event handling is the thing which is going to happen. So if you click the submit button, so what is going to show here? J button action performed. So now next here it is going to invoke the java.awt.event space event object is evt. So if you are going to run this program, it will be look like this one. So you can able to enter something and here you can able to select some particular item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, and you can able to select male or female and you can submit button. So but the thing is we have not given any kind of validation here. Because of that reason this will not work. So here we have given the created a JFrame. So and JFrame window equal to new frame. So here it is going to show the my first GUI program. So now we will copy this code. So here we got appeared the JFrame. So at the top of the window it has shown the my first GUI program. So here we are having a certain kind of swing components: J combo box, J label, J list, J menu bar, J panel, J pop-up menu, J scroll bar, J scroll pane, J table, J tree, J internal frame, J option pane, J progress bar, J root pane, J separator, slider, split pane, tabbed pane, toolbar, tooltip, viewport, J color chooser, text component. So these are all the string components. So we will discuss one by one. J label. So basically label means, so we have seen the previous program. So in that we have named the label. By typing the label, so name or a gender, so that one will be named as a label. So for that syntax is JLabel, object name is LBL. So here you can able to use this one JLabel. So this one you can able to bring here JLabel, object name is label equal to new JLabel. So here if you want to name the text to be displayed here, or you can able to display the which particular alignment that will be shown, right side or left side. So here we are having a program. The thing is the up to here the same. Here we have given the name of the JFrame as first GUI program. So now here we have given a label. JLabel, label equal to new JLabel. The name of the text is given is hello world. So now the window dot get content pane. So it gets the content pane to the particular JFrame and it adds the add label. So add. So add means add, it adds the label. So what is the object name of the label? JLabel is label. So it is going to use the dot. So by using a dot, it adds object. So it adds the label to the content pane. So now here we have given the set visible equal to is true. So now we will see how this program is compiled. So now we are going to compile the program with the same name. So here it has shown the first GUI program and here it has shown the hello world. Next one, adding the button. Button extends from the component, displays a string and delivers the action event for each mouse click. So here we will be adding a J button, object name is button equal to new J button. So here whatever the text to be displayed on the button will be given here. So now we are going to add the button. Here the same here the thing is we have added the same thing, J window, my first GUI program. Here we have added only J button object equal to new J button. The value is text is click me. So that particular click me is shown here. So now you need to add the J button is created, JFrame is there. You need to add the button to the window. So here the object is WIN is an object. So by using a object dot get content pane. So now you need to add button. Button is an object for J button. Here you are having a button which is an object for J button. So that you are going to add the particular button. So window dot set visibility is true. So here the button is created. The value is click me. So you can able to click something. So the color is changing. It means the event is happened. Here we are having a different types of layouts. Here the specific layouts are flow layout, grid layout, border layout, box layout, card layout, overlay layout and grid bag layout. So totally we are having a 7 types of layouts. So by using these particular layouts, so what are the advantages? So let us see. So first one is flow layout. So the syntax is here. We need to create a panel. Panel object name is P equal to new panel. So now you need to set the layout by using the object P. P dot set layout. The type of layout which we are using are flow layout. So I already told we are having a 7 types of layouts: flow layout, grid layout, box layout, so on so on. So here we need to set the layout. The type of layout is flow layout, so that you can able to set the flow layout. Flow layout means what? It can able to flow according to the user requirement. So for that purpose we are using a flow layout. So here we are going to see the specific program. Class name is show layout. Everything is same. So we have used the public static void main string array arguments, so which is common. So next one we have used the JFrame object equal to new JFrame. So the whatever the thing you would like to post at the top of the screen, my first JA program that will be seen. So next, window is an object for the JFrame. Window dot set default close operation. JFrame exit and close. If you are clicking the cross button, it will be closing the specific panel. So now by using the win is the object of JFrame. Win dot get content pane, so that we are going to get into the show the content status of the window dot set layout new flow layout. So we have set the layout. The type of layout is new flow layout. So now what the things we would like to add here? Basically here we have added the JFrame. So now we would like to add the number of buttons. How many number of buttons we have given in the for loop? Here for loop is given for I equal to 0. This is called initialization. Next, I less than 10. This is called decrement condition. So from I less than 10. So next, it is going to check the condition whether I 0 is less than 10 or not, true. So then do this operation. So next, I will be incremented. Finally, increment condition. So if the particular condition will be fail, 10 less than 10. So 10 is not less than 10. If you have kept here equal to, then that will be fine. So it means the condition will be validated for 0 to 9, so that the 0 to 9 button should be added within the for loop. So now what is the window object of JFrame? Object is win. Win dot get content pane. So get content pane dot add. What is to be added? Here we have initialized the new J button. J button should be added. So here what we have given within the braces, string dot value of I. The name of the button is string dot value of I. So string dot value of I means I is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9, the value of I should be displayed as a J button. Finally, we have entered the loop and we have given the window dot set visible list. So let us see how this particular specific program will look like. So I have just pasted the content of the program. So the class name I have given is show flow layout. So now I am going to save the program with the name of the class show flow layout dot java. So now here I am going to save in the all files. I have copied the program. I have saved the program. So now I am going to type java c space show flow layout dot java. So next, Java show flow layout. So now the program has shown in this manner. So now the buttons is organized. So buttons are flowing depending upon a adjustment of window. So if you are going to show in the larger window, so it is compressing, and if you want to show in the 2 into 2 rows, it is adjusting. So now it is adjusted to up to 9. So it is going to shrink and resize the windows. It has shown two columns, and rather it has shown 3 columns, then 4, then 5, and so on. So that is the main purpose of flow layout. The layout manager can able to have a functionality that can able to compress and resize. So that is the main purpose of layout manager. So now we have seen the flow layout. The next thing is grid layout. In grid layout, the basic thing you can able to do is, so you can able to specify row and column size. So you can able to specify the column, number of component rows, and you can able to specify the row, the number of components or columns. For example, like matrix. So component 1 0, 0, and component 2 is 0, 1, and so on. 0th row on first column, 0th row on second column, and so on. Example for your matrix. So here you have specified the flow layout instead of grid layout. Everything is same. The basic thing here you have modified is grid layout, and you have specified the size of row and column. So in grid layout, whatever the thing you have specified, that will be constant to trace out. So but however, so if you are going to mention a specific layouts, so it will be arranged within the 0, 2 or 2, 4 or something. So that will be shown in this specific manner. Next one is box layout. It provides an easy way to lay out components horizontally or vertically. Components are added in order. So here you can able to prefer the width and height of a specific layout. For example, box class are available for glue and structs. So for example, in box layout, it will be in a fixed size. The syntax is same. So you need to remember two things. First one is you are going to add the JFrame. So JFrame object you need to create. By using this object, you can able to show. So window dot set visible default close operation on exit. This one will be same. So now window dot get content pane dot set layout. So what kind of layout you are going to add? So here you are going to add the new box layout. Then here we have added the window dot get content pane. So you are going to specify the x-axis here. So here what you have specified is x-axis here. So now window dot get content pane add new j button string dot value of I. So that particular I is value is 0 to 10. So next you are going to add the box create horizontal glue. So horizontal glue means, so that one will be shown in the horizontal. Window dot pack is a method which is going to arrange the specific icons within the best size. So for that purpose we are using the pack. So now here it has shown the box layout. So if that is going to set the glue so that it will not be resize or compress. So that is the main thing of box layout. Next one is border layout. It provides 5 areas to hold the components. These are named different borders of the screen: north, south, east, west, and center. So these are the specific directions of the border layout to arrange. So here you can able to add on the layout. So for example, in your compass you are having a different directions, east, west, north and south. So similar manner you can able to add a specific buttons so within the specified directions. So here you have added container content. So here if you are going to consider, here you have added the container. Container is the topmost class which we have seen. Object, under the object you are having a container, we are going to get the container object called content. Container object called content. So now by using the object of the JFrame window dot get content pane, so now we are going to set the layout. So content, so container is the topmost class, content dot set layout. So here you are going to add the set layout. The layout type is border layout. So here you have named the border layout. So now you would like to add all the buttons. So border content dot add border layout north. So new J button. So which buttons you are going to add? The name of the button you are going to add is north. Here you are going to add the button north. Similarly, content dot add south. First thing is why we have added the border layout dot north means, so that is the starting point. So then the remaining will be positioned at the best whatever the direction you have mentioned. So next one is east, west, and another one is center. So east, west, north, south is mentioned, and next one is center. So now it has shown the specific windows in the best format. So it has shown the buttons. So if you go center, west, east, north, south.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.